Hello everybody, welcome to the week 6 video for the Kombucha lab. Week 6 is going to be pretty different because most of the week 6 time you'll be taking an exam. So you'll come to lab, no quiz, you'll just sit down and take the exam. After the exam, you will need to take pictures of your week 5 plates and count them. And so the person A will still have some to do to get that organized, and then you'll keep the notebook. But there will not be a quiz or a pre-lab in week 6 like normal. Okay, so your responsibilities before you come to lab, if you're person A, are to make the flow chart. Otherwise, your responsibility is to get ready for the exam. So how are you going to do that? So if we go on the week 6 Moodle, you will find a document that says Kombucha Exam Knowledge Goals. When you open that, it will have in bullet list form everything that you could be asked on the exam. Will you certainly be asked all of this? Probably not. I'm guessing that would make the exam much too long. But this is a list of everything that could be on the exam. So go through, make sure that you feel comfortable answering these, and you should be good to go for the exam. My best piece of advice is, as you're going through this, you should write out the answers. Do not think the answers to yourself, because there can be quite a gap between I'm sure I know the answer and I actually can write it down on a blank sheet of paper. And so as you're going through this list, I recommend you to write down your answers, and that's how you can be confident that you know them. So you'll work through this, post in the GroupMe, or ask your instructor if you have any questions about this. You'll work through this as preparation for week 6, and then you'll come to week 6 and you will take the exam. Once you're finished, then the thing that you need to do in lab is to take pictures of your plates, do the counting, and write down the results and conclusions. And so you'll have, again, some work for person A to do in the flow chart, and then everyone will need to collaborate on the notebook for this week. But your in-lab work for week 6 after the exam will be relatively short.